Good morning, my name is Acadia, and today we are doing a day in the life of a small business owner. So if you're new here, welcome, and I am the owner of 111 Threads, which is a sustainable and upcycled fashion shop. So as you can see, I have a bunch of clothes behind me. Basically, I thrift flip all day, and I like to say I get paid to shop, because that's fun. So it's about 9:30, I woke up maybe a half hour ago, already took a shower, just blow dried my hair, did some makeup, and we're getting ready to go out and about. I figured I would take you guys with me and see what the day entailed. So I have intentions, we'll see, of going to the post office, dropping off a few packages. I think I only have 4. And then I'm going to go to my local thrift, which opened at 9. I like to go there early because they restock on Wednesdays. I have a few customs that I need to shop for. And I also want to do like a making my dream closet video. So I have some pictures of the stuff that I want to make, and I'm going to see if I can find anything for that today. No promises though, it's the thrifts, there's not always what you want there. After the first thrift store, I might go to another, which is about 20 minutes down the road. It's not a super nice one, but not a lot of people go there, and things are like packed in there. So sometimes you can get some good finds if you wait long enough for people to donate a bunch of stuff. But yeah, so I might check that out, see what I can find there, and then I'm gonna come home and probably get right to work on sewing. I'll probably make a TikTok, which I will then probably use also as a reel. But yeah, I always have a bunch of plans for the day, and they usually go awry. So we'll see what happens. Today's my first day out of quarantine, actually. So I had COVID, but as you can see, I'm feeling much better. So I'm really excited to go to the thrifts. It's been a while. So I'm ready to create some stuff today, do some sewing, maybe some screen printing. One of my customs is screen printing, so we'll see if I get around to that today. But here we go. Also, for someone whose job is kind of fashion, I just want to let you know that my outfit is not serving, and they usually don't. Yeah, I'm just rocking this hoodie along with these airy ribbed leggings that I got that are supposed to be flares, but they are so long and I had to alter them, and now they're hardly flares, and I wish I could return them, but I altered them, so I cannot. Like I said, I do need to go to the post office, so we're just gonna throw these in this tote. Definitely throw this in here for the day, and we're ready to go. So we're getting ready to leave. I have no idea where my keys are because I haven't left the house in a week. Keys, if I was keys, where would I be? Thank you, past me, for placing them right here. I also just realized I didn't eat breakfast, and if I don't before we go on this thrifting adventure, I'm going to be a pain in my own ass, so. I'm like the hangriest person in the world, so this has to be done. I literally inhaled that. Okay, we are back on the road and ready to go. Really hope my car isn't iced over. I haven't been in it. Oh, fuck, it is. Damn it. Welcome to New Hampshire. Sick. Literally just pure ice. So before I did this, I actually tried scraping it off, and it was not coming off. So this was the best solution. Don't judge me. Okay, now that officially just took 20 minutes out of my day, we are ready to go to the post office. I don't know if pouring hot water on my ice over windshield is a good idea, but it worked, so let's go. Okay, I'm at the post office. I would bring you guys in, but I'm not bold enough to bring a camera in public, so I'll be back. Okay, so I dropped off my packages, and now I'm at the thrift. There is 2 across the street from each other. We're gonna go into both. And yeah, if I'm not embarrassed, I will do some recording and I'll bring you guys. So I just walked in and I found these really cute rings, so I'm definitely gonna buy these. This is one of my favorite sections. It's the towels and blankets, so I'm gonna see if they have anything good today. Unfortunately, there's no cool blankets today, which kind of sucks. So I didn't see anything. I'm gonna head upstairs now. I did have certain sizes that I was supposed to be looking for, but I don't see anything good enough for what I need, so that's kind of a bust. But I did see these, which I think would be an awesome upcycle. Okay, because what about all of these colors together? Oh my gosh. Okay, yeah, so we're taking these, and I'm also kind of obsessed with these like pale green. I don't know, maybe we'll come back for them. If I knew how to make corset tops, I would so buy this and turn it into a corset. I need to get on that. Anybody want an atomic bomb shirt? Okay, so this is very typical. I came in looking for some specific stuff, didn't find it, found what I didn't need but want, and also some cute rings. So I'm gonna go check out, and then we're gonna go over to the other store. I am actually so excited for this. We're gonna match them all up and do some patchwork. So that'll probably be the next video, which is so exciting. So this is great, guys. I went to go buy those and I freaking left my wallet at home. So this is a great day in the life because I'm messing up. My wallet is usually in my phone case and my phone case is not on my phone. Phone case retrieved. Let's go back. Okay, bag secured. Time to go next door. So in this store, they have a pretty big fabric section. The only thing I found today was this. It's like super thick, lined. Like I said before, I wish I could make a corset, but I kind of want to buy this and try. But if you watched my last video of my studio tour, then you know that I do not need any more fabrics. But like, corset? I'm gonna walk around and hang on to it and think about it, so we'll see. Okay, guys, wait, look at this jacket. It would go so good. Well, it kind of just matches the pants that I would make with those other pants that I bought across the street. Okay, but wait. Shit. I might buy this. Okay, I got the fabric and the jacket. I couldn't not. It's so cute. Okay, now I'm debating if I want to go to the next store. It is like a little bit away, a little bit of a drive, probably like 15-20 minutes. And I already kind of spent a lot. And I need to start making things. I have so much inventory at home that I need to do stuff to, but I'm just like so unmotivated to make that. And I just kind of want to make new things, new ideas. So we'll see if we end up there. I don't know. I'll probably decide in about 30 seconds. I mean, like, I do have enough gas to get there, maybe, and then have none after. I think I'm gonna go because I convinced myself that they might have some zippers, and I do need more zippers to make some bags later. Probably won't do that today because I kind of want to try to make the corset with that fabric. So we're gonna go. Hopefully I can be back by like 12:30 and I can start making that stuff around 12:30. We made it to the next store. Let's see what we can find. Okay, so I didn't find any zippers, but I did find a few things. Found like a little brown baby tee that I'll probably just put like a saying on or something. I found this, which I'm like contemplating, but I figured if I cropped it and put in like a drawstring, it could be really cute and someone would like that. Same for this, crop with the drawstring. I might just keep that. That's super cute and nice. And then I got a little Harley zip up, which the same thing, I'll probably crop with a drawstring. And then this blanket, which I love. I can try to make either pants, or I'm debating honestly making like a hoodie out of it. So depending on how much this is, I'm probably gonna grab that. But we're pretty much done here. This is a small thrift, so it's easy to go through pretty quickly. So I'll see you guys at home. Okay, so I got everything except the Harley. It had a tag on it, or it ended up having a tag on it, and it was just a little out of my price range for today. But yeah, I'm super psyched on everything else, and I just kind of wanted to get out of there, even though I just had COVID, so I have antibodies, and I was wearing a mask. The lady in there 100% had COVID. Oh my god, she was coughing up a storm, and it sounded exactly like what my cough sounded like. And I was like, oh my goodness. And they don't wear masks because that's like a true New Hampshire thrift store, and the ladies in there don't give a fuck. So there's that. All right, now I'll see you guys at home. Okay, so I just got home and I was literally just thinking I probably spent a little too much, especially since I have all of this stuff to still do. But then I got this text, which I will put now. Basically, my roommate texted me and asked me if I wanted to go to the Goodwill bins. He said he would drive, so change of plans, we're going. Like, come on. I'm gonna go to the bins. I'm gonna go to the bins, even though it's an hour away. But we're gonna go. Yay! So, of course we made it, and if you've ever been to the bins, you know it's kind of hectic, so I didn't really get a lot of videos, but I have these clips. I kind of got a few things, but you're gonna have to wait for a thrift haul to see what it was. Okay guys, I'm so sorry. I definitely checked out of doing this video once we went to the Goodwill bin. It pretty much just turned into a thrift haul. So, hope you guys enjoy, and I'll see you next time.